Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a web accessibility audit with Wave detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin your web accessibility audit using Wave, first, navigate to the Wave website. Once there, look for the Wave evaluation tool. You can choose either the online tool or install the Wave browser extension. For the online tool, enter the URL of the website you want to audit in the provided field. Click the Submit button to start the evaluation process. The tool will generate a detailed report on the accessibility of the web page. Take a moment to review the summary of errors and alerts that Wave provides. Each issue will be highlighted on the web page with corresponding icons. Hover over these icons for detailed descriptions of the accessibility problems. Check the left sidebar for a list of all identified errors, alerts, and features. Each section provides valuable insights into different aspects of accessibility. Make sure to pay attention to contrast errors, missing alternative text, and form issues. As you analyze the report, document each issue for further review. Prioritize the issues based on their severity and potential impact on users. For each identified issue, consider how it affects individuals with disabilities. Take notes on possible solutions or adjustments for each accessibility concern. When addressing the issues, refer to resources on web accessibility guidelines, such as WCAG. You can also leverage Wave's See Details feature for more context on specific problems. Once you have outlined the issues and possible solutions, create an action plan. Include a timeline and assign responsibilities for making the necessary changes. After implementing the changes, rerun the web audit with Wave. This will help verify if the issues have been resolved and check for new ones. Continue to monitor and audit the website regularly for ongoing compliance. Remember, web accessibility is an iterative process that requires constant attention. By following these steps, you will contribute to making the web more inclusive for everyone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.